Alright, I'm going to do 3 quick examples of integration by parts using the tabular method. These are 3 things you might see commonly. So first thing we do is pick our u and dv and make our chart. So in this case we have x squared, and then we go down and make the derivatives 2x, 2, and 0. dv we have cosine of x. Alright, and then if we integrate cosine, so we have sine x, and we take the derivative of this one, we get negative cosine x and negative sine x. And then we make our formula like this. Okay, and we write it down here. So we have our answer already with, thanks to the tabular method, is going to be x squared sine x. Oh, don't forget the plus minus. Plus 2x cosine x minus 2 sine x plus c. Alright, that's our first one. And now if we do the second one, integral x to the third e to the x is equal to, I'm going to erase my table and do it again. So the first thing we'll have is x to the third, and take our derivatives, 3x squared, 6x, 6, and 0. And then e to the x, fortunately when we integrate it, just fill it in everywhere. E to the x. And then this one's easy. After we make our alternating signs in here, minus, and everything's e to the x. So we have x to the third e to the x minus 3x squared e to the x plus 6x e to the x excuse me, minus 6 e to the x plus c. There's our second integral, and one more. Let's do the integral of x to the third sine x dx. Oh, I forgot my dx right there too. And let's erase the table. Oh, even though the x to the third is exactly the same, I could have just left it. So we have x to the third, 3x squared, and 6x squared. And then for the sine x, integral of sine is negative cosine x, negative sine x, cosine x, and sine x. Alright, plus minus, and then write out the answer here. So we have negative x to the third cosine x plus 3x squared cosine x plus, 6x. Uh-oh, made a mistake. This is supposed to be a sine. So let me erase it and fix it right here. Sine of x. Alright, and then we have plus 6x cosine x minus 6 sine x plus c. And that right there is the integral of x to the third sine x. Thanks to the tabular method, we were able to do our integration by parts much quicker. Thank you.